This one, from here on out, our classes are going to be a little bit simpler, a little bit shorter, not so drawn out, because we're going to be focusing on like one thing each episode. Whereas like the first episode, if you haven't seen it, it's a little lengthy, it's a little long, but it's solid.
Boring.
I know, I apologize. I was trying to get a lot of information in that video. Now, this video specifically is just going to be about docs and how to get a dashboard set up on OBS. You don't need to have your stream open and your chat open and your dashboard open. You can get everything, all your pop outs, everything set up on OBS. So let's show you how to do it. Come on. Forgive me. This is going to look way different than the first video because, oh, gotta get that light right over there. All right, because here's the thing. This is my profile that's set up for streaming, and this is all of the docs. So you got your chat doc, you got Atom vertical doc, activity feed, stream information. Anything that you want to pop out on your stream is as simple as going over to your docs. Remember, being logged into Twitch is going to give you access to these. You can see I got my chat, Twitch stats, activity feed. You got all these over here, which is going to be super easy to set up. So let's close one out real quick. All right, let's close our chat. Now we're going to come over to docs. Oh, it's because this window popped up. All right, so come over to docs, and then you're going to come down and you're going to find your chat. You're going to click chat, and it's going to go bim, logged in. And if it ever disconnects, it'll have a login, and you'll just do your authorization right there on that setup. So don't worry about that too much. If it gives you a login, log in, boom, it's going to pull up your chat. So now when you have your chat, you're going to see all your stuff right here. As you can see over here on the left, you got your Twitch activity feed, which is going to be what everything that, you know, people doing alerts, bits, follows, subs, all that stuff's going to show up in there. And then the stream information, you can then do your title, put your going live notification. This way it's right here, and it's easy to make sure you change a new notification for every, I change mine every time I go live. I keep it fresh. And it just makes it a lot easier. You can come in here, put in your game, you know, you can search whatever. We're playing Valorant today. Boom. Now we're in the Valorant category. You can put your tags in, but you can do all of your stuff that you would do when you're setting up your stream on Twitch. So then you're just going to hit done. Going to say stream info is successfully updated. Boom, ready to go. Then down here, you can see I have my Twitch stats, which you can see I'm offline. If I were to click live, you're going to see how long you've been live for, how many people are watching. You know, you can see your followers, you can see your subs, you can see all that stuff here. Now, these are dockable windows, so you can actually take this and like move it, and you can customize wherever you want these to fit. So whatever fits your needs, whatever works best for you. Look, you can like resize these, you can change them. For me personally, this is just how I've had mine set up. I run my OBS on my left monitor, so I keep my chat on the right side, which keeps it closest to where my camera is, so I'm not looking so far away for my chat. I try and keep it as close to my other monitor as possible. And sometimes we use ghost chat, which actually puts the chat on your screen that they can't see. So you can actually read your chat while you're playing, and they can't even see your stream. That's going to be in a new video coming up as well. So if you want to see ghost chat video, drop that comment. Say, let me see that ghost chat video, please. Make sure you ask please, or I won't be able to give it to you. All right. All right. Now, you're probably like, okay, well, I'm on YouTube or Kick. I don't see anything for me. This is where it's super cool. So let's open up our Twitch dashboard real quick, just so you guys can see exactly what it looks like. So if you're not familiar with what your Twitch dashboard will look like, I'm going to show you real quick the creator dashboard, and it usually looks something like this, where you, oh, we're not on that, sorry, the stream manager, my bad. So this is going to show you the same stuff. Your activity feed, your stream preview is going to be up here if you're live. You can see like edit stream info, which is going to be a whole separate tab. You raid channel, you can do stream together, manage goals. Now, the coolest part, I'm getting to it. Any of this stuff that you don't see as an option in OBS, I'm going to show you how to add that. So let's say you wanted to add this whole quick tabs or quick actions tab, but you're like, I don't understand. I don't see quick actions, because if you go back into OBS and you go into your docs, that quick actions is not an option. Now, as you can see right here, if you're looking closely, you'll see I already have quick actions added, because the coolest part, ready? I know, I feel like I've said that 1,000 times. Let's get to it, all right? You're going to click this right here, and it's going to say pop out quick chat. Click that, and it's going to give you this URL, right? So you're going to get this little window. Now, you're not going to bring this in. You're going to copy this, right? So we're going to hit this, copy that, and we're going to bring that back over to OBS, go into docs, and then you're going to see a doc that says custom browser docs. It's going to be right here. Now hit custom browser docs. And as you can see here, you're going to be able to name the doc so you know what it is. Like, I have my quick actions, I have a YouTube vertical, and I have a kick chat. Now, you're going to go in here, name your first one, whatever you want it to be. So again, if you are doing this for Kick or YouTube, you're going to follow this same exact procedure. You got to find the browser source, the web link, and you're going to bring that over. Let's go. We got quick actions, and now we're going to delete this link. Oh, whoops. I should have just added a new one. All right, so we're going to do quick actions. Oh my God, I have cap lock on. Ignore me, please. All right, and then we're going to do Control V. We're going to hit apply. And now this is good. This is the login screen I was telling you about. It's going to make you log in. And then once you log in, you now that will now show up as a dockable window, and you can stick this wherever you feel like it fits. And now you can go ahead and add any other browser link that you want on your OBS screen as a custom doc. So when you go in your YouTube chat, let me see if I can bring that up real quick. So if we go into, all right, you know what? Let's not go into the YouTube chat. Let's just go into, I can't see, oh, I can see my chat. My chat's right here. All right, let's ignore that. So on YouTube, if you're in your chat and you're live, you're going to see this same exact drop down box where it's got the 3 little dots, and then it's going to say pop out chat. It's going to give you the same exact window, and you're going to do the same thing. You could double click this and then hit Control C. That's going to copy your text. And then when you come back to OBS, you can go in here. Let's say we're going to do, we'll just add Twitch chat, even though it's a thing. Let's just say you are adding, oh my God, caps locks. Let's say you were just adding Twitch chat, but you would probably be adding YouTube or Kick chat. And then you're just going to paste it and then hit apply, and it's going to make you log in. So any browser source that you do this way will force this login. So just be prepared to be able to log into YouTube, Kick, and whatever other features, even the Twitch ones that aren't integrated into OBS. You can just add it as a pop-up window, copy that link, paste it, name it, boom, dockable source. Now, the best part is when you close this out, right, and you come into the docs, they're going to be down here. So if you want to like switch in between stuff, maybe you're not streaming on YouTube and you're not doing this, not doing that, you can close them and reopen them whenever you please. The other cool thing that I haven't gotten into yet, and maybe we have to do a whole nother video on, because I want to keep these short and simple. We're already hitting 8 minutes here. The other cool thing you can do, right, if you stream on Kick and Twitch, but you don't multi-stream, but you stream like maybe 2 days on this and 2 days on that, but you don't want to reset your profile and your scenes and all that stuff, you can set up your stream this way, right? Maybe you want to keep the scenes the same because they're like, not all of them are like Twitch specific, but like your activities and stuff. So if you click this profile, which is grayed out now while I'm live, you can click profile, create a new profile, and it's going to give you a blank canvas of your docs, but it'll keep all your scenes. Now up top here, you have your scene collections. What it will let me see now, I'm not going to click it because it might end my video. As you can see, I have Untitled 2, Untitled YouTube. That YouTube one is what I have set up separately. As you can see, this is completely different than my first video for class 1. that is the YouTube scene collection, which is going to allow me to switch to whatever I want to have for just the YouTube recordings. My Untitled 2 is me being lazy and never naming this as my actual Oz profile. And then Untitled was like me testing this and like just showing how that it's different. So pretty cool. You can set up custom profiles. You can have 2, 3, 4, 5, however many stream profiles you want to have. And then you can also save your scene collection separately. So your profile won't keep your scenes. Your profile is everything but the scene. So that's going to be your docs, your canvas, and everything above. Everything below, your scenes and sources and audio mixers, verticals, all that stuff, that's going to be part of your scene collection. So keep that in mind for when you're streaming on different platforms and all that kind of stuff. Also, if you see this ATEM vertical right here, this also has a going live button. So you can multi-stream full screen on Twitch, and then you can live stream vertically on ATEM vertical on a whole different stream key and a whole different thing, and you can set all of that up right here on OBS. So hopefully that helped you out getting your dock set up and getting this whole interface set up to make everything run efficiently. And if it did, don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel, all right? Because it's brand new and I'm trying to push this thing to the limits. I'll catch you on class 3. Maybe we'll do class 3 on setting up scenes and profiles. All right, guys, have a good week.